Alright, adventure seekers. When you're on the road, sometimes there's no showers, you gotta make do. There's some people kind of way down in the distance and a chance a car might drive by, so I have a shower door set up back here. But yeah, that's not the point of the video because that's rig specific. What I'm talking about is how I shower. This is the magical stuff right here. It's roughly like 3 to 4 to 1 diluted. It's Dr. Bronner's. This stuff's awesome. You smell like peppermint after, but the key part is that I really like versus like gel soaps and all that sort of thing. Bar soap is when you're done, a few hours later you still feel fresh, next day feel fresh. A week later you feel, well, not a week later, you're kind of getting funky, but 2-3 days later you feel fresh. The normal soap you tend to get like icky like really soon. So yeah, this is the e-ticket. But yeah, how do I shower? What I do is I got this bad boy right here. This is your regular old stock garden sprayer. It's used for spraying pesticides. Don't get a used one, get a brand new one. Wash it out over and over and over really good. Paint it black, flat black, scuff it up first, paint it black. I leave it dying on the roof of my truck all day. You got to get it out first thing in the morning and all day, and right now this thing is like dang warm. So you got to be careful. It can get too hot in the summer, so be careful of that. So anyways, yeah, you just give this thing a few jumps. And yeah, you got the nozzle right here. Spray. So anyways, I'm gonna get to it. All right, well, a couple of key things to remember here. Do you want to do this in the middle of the day when it's nice and warm out? Get your water bottle out first thing in the morning. Again, you want to be using a new sprayer. You want to make sure it's got an adjustable tip on the end. This right here needs to be adjustable, so that way you can go kind of from a stream, from those spot washes to a whole mist, you know, to get the whole area. But yeah, it does really good. It's quite enjoyable. You feel just great after, especially if you're using Dr. Bronner's. And yeah, you can't beat the view. It's also water conserving. I don't know how much water this thing uses. I would guess it's probably like a gallon and a half neighborhood to where it's full. But yeah, I shower on that thing for like a month before I worry about filling it back up. And just like I said, take a shower, lay it out in the morning, and yeah. So there's at least, I don't want to say, yeah, probably about a good dozen good showers in that thing. So yeah, anyways, that's how I shower, and that's how I recommend you guys shower when you're out and about. I know you want to see what the rig looks like around. So yeah, what it is here is got a pole up here, just aluminum telescoping pole, drilled a hole in it so it pops in my tent. And I got a couple of guide cables, you know, those pro grip things that I'm using everywhere from Pinnacle. Those things are awesome. And then I just clipped up this mesh that's kind of a general use kind of sunblocky stuff that I have. Clip that up. I'm standing on my toolbox. It's on the back of the truck. I just kind of let everything drain off the sides there, and yeah, it works pretty good, especially when you have neighbors. So anyways, guys, Adventure Brad gonna go lay in the sun now. Hey y'all, Adventure Brad here. Welcome to our channel. It's my channel. Check it out. I would like you guys to subscribe. That means you're gonna get more content, more videos to your way. But again, if you don't subscribe, you don't subscribe. I just want to show you what works for me, what I like, what I enjoy, and the adventures that I'm on. It's always neat, the cool spots that I go to. You never know the people that you'll find on the road, or like what you'll get into. The adventures and things that just kind of show up, and you're just like, oh, look what's right there. So I kind of hope you guys go along for the ride and check it out.